Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SoundCloud for creators to monetize tracks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to soundcloud.com. Log into your SoundCloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Monetization tab. If it's your first time visiting this section, you will see an overview of SoundCloud monetization. Here, review the eligibility requirements listed to ensure your account qualifies. Next, click on the Join the Program button to start the application process. You may be prompted to provide additional information regarding your account. Fill in any required details, including your payment information for receiving royalties. Once you've completed the form, submit your application for review. After submission, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive a confirmation email from SoundCloud. Now, return to your profile and navigate to the Tracks section. Select any track that you wish to monetize. Scroll down to find the monetization options available for that track. Enable monetization by toggling the switch or following the on-screen prompts. You might need to agree to SoundCloud's licensing agreements for monetization. After confirming, you will see that your track is now eligible for monetization. Make sure to promote your track to maximize your earning potential. Repeat this process for any other tracks you wish to monetize. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled monetization on your SoundCloud tracks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.